Hey there, today we're going to look at how to copy from one Miro board to another Miro board for beginners. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to miro.com. Over here, click on the login button at the top right corner. After that, sign in using your email or Google account. Then, on your Miro dashboard, find the board that has the content you want to copy. Over here, click on the board to open it. After that, select the elements you want to copy by dragging your mouse or holding Shift. Then right click and choose copy or press Ctrl plus C on Windows or CMD plus C on Mac. After that, go back to the Miro dashboard. Then open the target board where you want to paste the copied items. Over here, right click on the board and select paste or press Ctrl plus V on Windows or CMD plus V on Mac. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next